we see this Titanic truck, the Nissan Titan XD behind us. With a lot of kids are very excited, and I'm sure grown men and women as well, about the Cummins diesel.
Yeah, it is exciting because, in fact, we're going to be addressing an important segment of the market inside the large pickup truck, which is a huge segment in the United States. Remind you that 2 million large pickup truck sold in 2014, of people who would love to have a diesel engine, particularly when it's a Cummins diesel engine on light pickup truck. Today it's practically impossible, so we're going to be coming with this offer.
What do you think about the sales numbers? What are you expecting? I mean, less than 20,000 of these are sold a year in the States as it is now.
Yeah, well, frankly, today our performance is really pitiful in this segment. You know, 1% market share when we represent more than 8% market share in the United States means that there is something wrong with our offer. We spend a lot of time analyzing what the market wants, what we are capable of offering. We came with the new Titan. We feel very strong about it, and that's why we are positioning ourselves with a target of 5% market share in the U.S., which represent today, based on the market of today, about 100,000 trucks a year.
So if this is successful, do you expect this Cummins partnership to carry forward into other vehicles?
Well, so far it worked very well. That means the development phase has been going very well with them. We have presented already this our product to our distributors, to big users. The reaction has been positive, but showtime is when the car comes to the market. This is before the end of this year, 2015.
I'm just saying I could imagine a diesel-powered Armada, for example.
Yeah, you can, but for the moment, that's what we want to put and sell on the market. Yeah.
Let me ask about, so this is very cool. I'm excited to drive it.
Right.
But do low gas prices hold you back a little bit in the development of more fuel-efficient vehicles? I think of diesel as a more fuel-efficient alternative. And then, of course, you have so focused on the electric car.
No, look, I think first we all admit the fact that oil price and gas price is unpredictable. Nobody 1 year ago has foreseen that price of gasoline will be where it is today. So I think that today nobody can foresee where price of gasoline will be in 1 year or in 2 years or in 5 years. So basing your product strategy on a low gas price or a high gas price is very dangerous. You cannot do that. What you need is to make sure that you have an offer for every scenario. We have electric cars, we have very fuel efficient crossovers. We obviously continue to work on fuel efficiency on practically all our products, but at the same time we need to make sure that on these segments where which boom when the price of oil is low, we are also has presence. Light pickup truck, heavy duty pickup went down to 1 million cars a year when the price of oil was high. Today it's at 2 million, and probably is going to be supported by low gasoline. So we just need to be present at the same time that we are present with electric cars and with very fuel-efficient technologies.
I mean, I suppose you could say the same kind of thing about currency fluctuations.
Exactly.
Because I remember talking to you when a dollar would buy you 70 yen, now it buys you 120. Do you have to tailor your entire business?
Not at all. Not at all. As you know, I told you that we were more localizing our production in country where we're selling the car, and this is not going to change. Today, our plants in the United States, in Mexico, are practically full because we have switched a lot of production to the United States. It's not going to change with a strong dollar because, again, it's unpredictable and you cannot base your strategy on fluctuation. And what we want is to have our costs in the same currency of our revenue. In this case, no matter what the currency will do, it has very little impact on your bottom line.
I want to ask about Infiniti. Obviously, you're in heavy competition, especially with the other Japanese luxury automakers. I think Infiniti has the most aesthetically pleasing design of all of those, but Lexus is a force to be reckoned with. How do you see it going at Infiniti?
Well, we're growing with Infiniti, and we're going to continue to grow. As you know, we are reinforcing our team.
Yeah, you're just getting your management team finally put together there.
Management team put together. We have a lot of products coming. Our cooperation with Daimler is going to help us in terms of reducing the time frame necessary to continue to develop our technology and develop our products. So I feel very good about what's going on in Infiniti, except the fact that we're going to have to be patient. I mean, establishing a strong premium brand takes a lot of time. For us, it's opportunity, 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 because today Infiniti is such a small part of our business and a small contributor to our overall profitability. We can only gain by developing Infiniti.
But if you hit a home run with a product, if the Q60, for example,
much better,
is a huge success.
It's even much better. But that's what we're trying to do in terms of strategy. Put a lot of engines for future growth. Infiniti being one of them. Large pickup truck is the second one. Electric cars, etc.
I got to ask you also about what's going on in the M&A scene. Sergio seems to have put a huge for sale sign on Fiat Chrysler. Would you be interested? Would you know someone who is?
Well, frankly, first, if I was or if I knew somebody, I'm not going to share it on TV.
That's probably a very smart move.
on TV. But no, this industry is going to continue to consolidate. There are a lot of things that makes a lot of sense because there are so much investments required to be successful in this industry. You need to presence in all the market, in all the segments. So yes, I can bet that consolidation will continue at its own pace, with probably some surprises, but it will continue.